In today's video, I'm going to teach you tech tip how to access your Docusign forms, 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through getting into your account, finding the right forms, downloading signed copies as PDFs, and seeing items that colleagues have shared with you. First, sign into the Docusign web app. Use your work or personal account as appropriate and complete any two-factor prompts if they appear. If your organization uses multiple accounts or environments, double check you're in the right one so the forms you expect will be available. Once you're in, look for the agreements area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is home base for everything you send, receive, or store. Opening agreements shows your recent activity and gives you quick access to drafts, sent items, completed documents, and templates. From here, you can open stored, preset forms or build a template if you need one. Preset forms are templates your team has already configured with the correct fields and recipients, which saves time and ensures consistency. If you don't see the form you need, check the templates or forms section within agreements. With the right permissions, you can create a new template, give it a clear name, and reuse it whenever you send that document. To quickly locate a specific document, use the search bar at the top of agreements. Type a title, a keyword, or part of a recipient's name. Narrow the results with filters like status, owner, or date range, and sort to bring the most relevant items to the top. This is especially helpful if you handle many agreements every week. When you need a finalized copy, open the completed item and download it as a PDF. Choose the download option, select PDF, and save it to your device or cloud storage. If your compliance team asks for it, include the certificate of completion so the audit trail stays with the file. Rename the PDF with a clear descriptive file name to make it easy to find later. Finally, if your team shares documents, visit the shared access section. There, you'll see agreements colleagues have made visible to you based on permissions. You can search, filter, preview, and download just like with your own items. If you don't see something you expect, ask an administrator to confirm your sharing settings. And that's it. Log in, open agreements, use your preset forms or templates, search smartly, download PDFs, and check shared access. Thanks for watching and happy sending.